Hazrat Abu Usman narrates that Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu said, "We 130 people were in the company of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked, 'Do any one of you have food?' A man had approximately 4 kilograms of flour, so it was kneaded. Then a tall polytheist with hair disheveled came driving his flock of goats. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked him to sell or donate a goat, or said to gift. He said, 'No, I will rather sell it,' so a goat was bought from him. Then it was butchered, and the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed orders to roast the liver. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, not a single person was left out of 130 whom the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not give a share in the liver. If anyone was present, he was given his share, and whosoever was absent, his share was set aside. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam put it into 2 dishes, so all the people ate it their fill, and the meat was left in the 2 dishes which we loaded on the camels, or what he said." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2618.